Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma G3410. I want to show you how to connect this printer to the Wi-Fi network. Switch the printer on, then wait. We'll show you one on the screen. You need to press this button with mobile phone. Press this button for 3 seconds. Press and hold it. 1, 2, 3. Then release the button. It will show you Wi-Fi icon and a line. Wait for 2 lines to show on the screen. So we've got 2 lines. What that means, the printer is in a wireless mode. Depending on device you want to use, we want to connect it with mobile phone. Go to Play Store on your mobile device and install Canon Print app. Open the app, then select search for the printer. We'll show you, please wait momentarily. So it's going to search for available printer. Is your printer listed below? Then select no. When the printer is dictated on the next screen, tap the button to connect. Select next. So the printer is found Canon IJ82800 G3010 series. Select connect. It's connecting, connected, and processing. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router SSID. Then you select yes. We show you saving, communicating with the printer. Communicating with the printer, this may take more than 150 seconds. So the printer is connected. See the recession. And this is the printer, G3010 series online. So this is how to connect the printer and mobile device to a network. And from this, you can print document, you can scan document, you can copy. Now I want us to print document to confirm. Select document prints. Then select documents. Then select the document you want to print out. It's processing. This is 2-page document. Then select next. We want to print all. Select OK. Then go to change settings. Select number of copies. Select the paper. Same as original, media type, plain paper, and also want to print it in color. Then go back, then select print. This is the document we printed out, first page. This is the document we printed, second page, and it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. If you want to print two-sided document, then you select next. Select to print first page or current page, or type the page 1 to 1 pages, then type page 1 to 1, then select OK, then select print. So it's going to print page 1, then we reload the paper and print out the second page. We show you printing is completed. Then take the paper with the printable area, put it on the back. Then select OK. Then select Next. Then select page 2, pages, print page 2 of 2. 2 of 2. Then select OK. Then select Print. This is the document we printed out, double-sided, manually, and it will show you on the phone printing is completed. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network with mobile phone, print document to confirm. And from this Canon print app, you can print photo, scan document, and copy document. Please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.